Hello and welcome to my channel. Today you are in for a treat. Now, for all of you all who say that you cannot organize, let that belief go, okay? This is all about your mindset, and I'm about to get your mindset right. Look, if my 4.5-year-old child can organize, you can organize. So I'm going to show you in this video today how a 4.5-year-old organizes. I'm going to show you video proof that she can organize, and it just takes a little time and a little effort, but you can do it too. Stay tuned. Guys, today my daughter is the prime star of this video. She is showing you through video how she assists with organization. We have made a conscious effort to include her in things throughout our house, throughout my parents' house as well. They do this too, but letting her help us when they are jobs or when there are things that she can actually learn how to do too. What is this doing? Teaching her organizational techniques that she can actually build upon as she gets older. So I really want you to take notes, because if she can do it, guys, I know you can.
Well, let Granny do it. Okay.
I can do it when I take this off.
You want to take the book?
There you have it, guys. My 4-year-old, and in this video, she was between 3.5 and 4.5. She is organizing. And so that is proof that you can be taught to organize. So I can teach you and you can teach your children. So definitely connect with me. Subscribe to the channel. You will be notified of any new videos that I post. Definitely look below in the information box. You will see all of the links to our social media platforms, as well as the link to our website, thehappinessbucket.com. On the website, you will see additional information and additional tips in our blog posts, and this video will have some additional information with it as well. And finally, if you would jump over to Facebook and join our Facebook group, that is our community of support. You can talk to fellow people who, other people who are trying to organize. You can talk to me. We are a family. And so I love talking to you guys, and I hope that you will join us over there. So until the next video, stay organized. Bye.